So hey, how you doing? My name's Bryce. I figured I'd do a video today. This is my first vlog, I guess you call it, about Fashion Stork. So back the day after Christmas, I decided that I needed to up my wardrobe game, and I decided that I would get a subscription to a men's clothing subscription service. So after looking at a couple of different services online, Stitch Fix, Trendy Butler, 5-4, Trunk Club, I figured the one that kind of fit me, fit my budget, and seemed to be the most the best bang for your buck. You know, the quality, best quality was Fashion Stork. So I did all my research, did watch countless of these videos on YouTube about their service, and saw some of the examples of the product that they would send, and I was really impressed. I was absolutely floored by what you could get for essentially $75 a month. Was worth it to me. So I went online, filled out their questionnaire about what your preferences are, and started my membership. I was excited. I paid for expedited shipping, figuring, hey, the quicker I can get this stuff, the better. I can get my hands on this stuff. I need some new clothes. So that was the 26th of December. I obviously understood with the holidays and whatnot that things would take some time. So after about a week, I figured, that to me was not expedited. So I sent them an email, got a reply back saying that they had a major shipping issue or logistics problem that they were working through, and that they would refund they would give me an $8 credit, which was over and above the $3 or $4 extra I paid for expedited shipping. So it seemed to make me, I was happy with it. And they said, it'll be out shortly. So I hadn't heard anything for like another week, and so I sent them another email, and no reply. They put an email, or I'm sorry, a telephone number on their website. So I called the telephone number, and you get you get put into an Audex, and it says basically, all our customer service agents are busy, blah blah blah. Leave a message. So I did, and I never got a call back. I did, however, get an email the following day saying that I had been assigned a stylist. That was the first movement that I'd seen on this thing in like 2 weeks. So it's been 2 weeks, still hadn't received anything or seen any movement with my account. But they assigned me a stylist, and they were going to be compiling my box. So I guess that was cause for a little more excitement. And another week goes by, and it's still not being shipped. So sent them yet another email that went unanswered, and then basically in another week I got another email saying that my box had shipped. Fantastic. I'm excited. I can't wait to get this thing. It had shipped, but they didn't have a tracking number, and that I would receive another email with a tracking number shortly. That was on January 17th. Today is January 27th, and I have yet to receive another tracking number. Now, yesterday, backing up, I received an email saying that they were going to be getting ready to compile my next box, my next month's allotment. I thought this was kind of strange, because you're going to charge me more money when you haven't come through on my box from last month. So yet another email, so on and so forth, and I decided, what, maybe I need to do some more research here. So I went on their Facebook page, and lo and behold, there are other people out there like me that aren't receiving product. So who knows what's going on with their company right now? It honestly seems as though they're not answering phone calls, they're not answering emails, that I don't know if they're in some type of trouble, like if they're in like some kind of financial disarray where they're going out of business. I don't know. But the problem is here is this: they continue to take money from people, and at this point, I got to be honest. To me, as a new customer, it seems as though that they really don't have. They have little intention to fulfill their promise of delivering product. So at this point, it's almost as though you're being defrauded of money. So I wake up this morning and here's an email in my box from Fashion Stork that they had charged my account another $78. Wait a minute. No. That's not going to be how this game is played, folks. I'm a little pissed off, a little upset. I was actually looking forward to kind of providing a video blog of my experience with Fashion Stork and the products that they delivered me, and a positive experience. You see all these unboxing videos online, and I had hoped that maybe, just maybe, my experience, my unboxing, the products I've received would help be a customer testimonial for a company that provides great service. And wow, much to my surprise, here I am wanting to do an unboxing video, and I don't have anything to show you because they never sent me anything. Nothing. Not a damn thing. So, fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me. And in the great words of George Bush, you ain't gonna fool me again. So, I had to cancel my card and dispute the charges, and now I'm basically out at this point about $158 due to Fashion Stork, and I felt it necessary to put something together to put there on YouTube, so that maybe, just maybe, I prevent somebody else from making the same mistake that I did, and that was trusting Fashion Stork to conduct their business in an appropriate manner. I get it. I actually I own a business, and I believe that there's a certain trust that sits there between a customer and a company, if you will. And I get it. There's bumps in the road. Every business goes through it. But one thing that can trump any bumps in the road between, with that relationship between company and customer is communication. If you're having an issue, that's fine. Tell me. Keep me updated. I've sent emails. I've sent phone. I've called on the phone. Keep me in the loop. That's not. That's really not a whole lot to ask. I don't think, as a customer. So this is kind of my my way of keeping them responsible. So I guess I'm going to try a different clothing subscription service. I mean, the concept of it is really great. I mean, I'm a lazy guy. I'm a busy guy. I'm a dad. I'm a husband. I work. I have a full-time job, a part-time job. I run a business on the side, and somehow along the way, I find time to, coach my kids' soccer teams and have a little time for hobbies, for myself, boating, fishing, cars. So shopping and keeping up with my wardrobe is kind of like it's out of necessity. Like literally, it's when we're on vacation somewhere and I end up popping in a store and I say, hey, I like that, and come out with it. I don't go shopping for me. So men's clothing subscription service, for me, it works. Or I anticipate that it's going to work. It's just a shame that my first experience was with Fashion Stork, which at this point, there's really nothing that they can do that's going to change my opinion of them. They're a joke of a company. They defrauded me out of $158 and change. That's a shame because they really put themselves out there on the internet as being a trendsetter in the men's clothing subscription service, and it's a shame. I've posted a few things on their Facebook page, trying to warn people away from their company, and this is just one more way that I'm doing that. It's called being or having the power of the consumer. So you do what you want, but they ain't getting another dime of my money. So stay tuned. This was just the unfortunate first step in my journey here to subscribe to a men's clothing service. So you've listened to me ramble on enough. If you like it, I mean, I guess I see everybody saying hit like and subscribe. I'm gonna probably keep doing these videos. I have gotten. I joined Spreza Box and got some nice accessories. I should have thought and maybe did a video with that, and maybe I will review the box that I got. So hit like and subscribe, and I guess I'll catch you on the rebound. Screw Fashion Stork. See ya.